Party, you love party.
No, get water. Why?
You need to explain yourself.
Yeah.
You need to.
I am a longo moko nanga. Sunganga. Oh Yahweh, 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 Yahweh.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your brother Emmanuel.
Blondina.
We are back today with another new video, which is smack or fact. So today, Sister Blondina got like 6. It's not even a question. It's just 6 things that you think your partner dislike. So
like.
I got like 6 list here. Just write about my partner. What 3 what she dislikes and 3 what she likes. So, for example, if like I say that she likes this and then she says she don't like it, so I have to drink water. Does that make sense? So
Yeah, that's the part of challenge.
that's cool then. So we're going to start.
I will start.
Alright.
First question.
No, it's not.
The first thing
Yeah, that I dislike.
that you dislike or you don't like. You don't like
Yeah.
drinking water.
You lying. You lying. You lying.
That's true.
You lying. You lying.
No.
You lying.
You need to explain yourself.
What do you mean?
You don't like drinking water.
Get water
That's-
first.
No.
Get water first. Get water first. Get water first.
No, let's be honest.
Get
here.
water first.
Be honest.
Get water first.
Before I drink obviously, you
Yeah,
need to
hold
say
the water.
something.
I
You have to say
hold the water
something.
What do you mean I don't like drinking water?
You know, obviously, I remember when we first met. Obviously, you are not that kind of person. You really like water. You love like drinking.
You
like,
say I don't like drinking
No, I
water.
say you don't like
Drinking
you don't
water.
Love, no, you don't love water.
No, you haven't said that.
You don't love water.
You haven't said that. You said I don't like drinking water. That's wrong.
Yeah, you don't like drinking water. You just drink it because you have no choice.
No,
but
drink.
That's not you.
Drink.
Oh, no.
Drink.
Say the truth.
That's
You
the
don't
truth.
need to lie.
That's the truth.
You don't
You
need
still
to
don't
lie.
want to know. Drink. Keep drinking. So who doesn't like drinking water? Huh? Who doesn't like drinking water? Huh? Drink. Who doesn't like drinking water? Drink.
It's really tasteless.
Do you think it's a sugar? Drink. You having difficulty drinking water. Thank you. So let me explain. Basically, I drink water, but I don't like it drinking it too much. So I mix water with fizzy drink. So
Your turn, man.
So Sister Blondine, my wife, my beautiful pretty wife.
Oh God.
She doesn't like money wasted. Like someone just buying stuff carelessly.
Oh yeah. That's true. That's me. Yeah.
So you explain.
Yeah, I don't like wasting money in things. Like for example, the way when we get money at home, obviously, always make sure that we buy the right things so we don't miss money and start borrowing. So that's why I don't like buying, spending money the right way. Yeah.
So I need someone to drink water. Come on. Next.
Second thing, Emmanuel does not like hypocrite people.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's true.
That's true.
Why?
I don't know, because I think it's better to live with someone that can tell you the truth than to live with hypocrite people, because they might stab you behind the back. That's why I just dislike them. I don't know.
Your turn.
Stop! Don't lie.
No, I'm not going back.
Sister Blondine, or my wife, she doesn't like pretender.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it kind of link with hypocrite, you know.
Yeah, well, I think pretender is kind of.
Yeah. Obviously, I don't like pretender people. Like, for example, like there's people that they show you another face, but behind the back, it's kind of linked with hypocrite.
Yeah.
Yeah, they show you another face, but that's not the real face. That the real face.
Yeah.
So I hate pretender people. Honestly, yeah, I hate because it's very dangerous. Yeah, to have people that are around you, they're showing you that they love you, but
They don't.
they don't. Yeah, you
So
will
they don't
find
care
out.
about
They,
you,
yeah, they don't really care about you, but you will come to find out afterward. Like maybe after a situation that you realize that no, this person doesn't really like me. Like when we talk about like being together or being like in friendship, obviously, like a true friendship, obviously, we need to support each other. You understand? So those kind of pretending people, they pretend that they like you and everything, but when it comes like, you do a wrong thing, it's like they change totally. So it means that they are pretending. So I hate pretending, but I like people to be honest. Yeah.
Honest people.
Yeah.
So she
Honest.
pretend.
Yeah.
If you are pretender, this sister.
Go away. Don't like.
I know this one you're going to say no. I got that feelings, but that is the fact.
No. Say it. What is it?
You dislike physical things.
What do you mean? Physical thing?
Like running, go to the gym, do some press up.
How could you say that?
Press up. You don't like press ups, do you? You don't like.
I love gym.
You love gym, but you just go there to.
No, I love gym. That's why I paid for it.
Yeah, I know.
To go there. Why are you telling me that I don't like it? I do like it.
But you don't
That's
like physical things.
No. You don't need to say that. If I don't like physical thing, obviously, I'm not gonna do it.
Are you sure?
Or it depends on what I'm doing at the time.
So jump to drink water.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay,
You need to. You need water now. It's two in it. Is it a jar? That's not right. That's not right.
This water is kind of Congo, so I have to close my eyes.
You see, you don't like water, but you lie. You
I'm
lie.
going to drink.
You made me drink water.
I'm going to drink it. Don't
That's not right, though. You need to be honest. You hate water, and this water is really tasteless.
This water is tasteless. So
I always drink water, but I don't understand this water today. Why?
This water is tasteless.
I can imagine. Because I love water. Water is my thing.
Sugar.
No. Not sugar. It's good for the health. Yeah, water is good for the health. So I think it's a good challenge to make us to drink more water.
Okay.
My husband.
Your husband.
You hate
I hate
swimming.
Oh yeah.
I remember every time when I tell him that we have to go to swim, we have to go swimming. Obviously, he doesn't like it. I've tried, I've tried so many times,
but there's a reason behind the scene now. Yeah. Firstly, I don't know. I just feel it's so embarrassing going to the swimming pool that you can't even swim. You're just going there. You're like a viewer.
I told you I will teach you how to do it.
Huh?
I told you I'll
teach me.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
But I have to. What they say? Hey. So you have to teach me how to swim.
Yeah.
I need to have that willingness as well.
True.
Look, I'm kind of a big stone. If you put me on the water, I'll just go down.
That's what you think, but it's not like that.
No, I can't swim. Firstly, the way people wear, I'm not offending anyone anyway.
You doesn't feel comfortable.
I just don't feel comfortable to go in public. People seeing my body, or my wife wearing bikini outside. This pretty face. No.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
But we have to though.
Your body is for me. Don't show in the swimming pool.
obviously it depends what am I gonna wear, because other people, they can go there, but
So there's three different reasons.
Bikini.
First, I can't swim. Secondly, I don't want you to wear bikini.
Why?
Thirdly, I don't want to wear that short, that short that is kind of fun that the hair would come everywhere.
Even both for you, but
Yeah, that was what interesting. Let's go to things that Sister Blandine likes. My beautiful wife Blandine, my Congolese woman, the prettiest woman, my angel, my baby. She likes saving.
That's my heritage.
That's your heritage. If you give her money, listen, even if you give her £4,000, just put a pillow under her head, sleep. Don't worry.
Forget about it.
After 10 years, come to ask her, she'll give it to you.
She'll give it to you. That's me.
She always says.
I think it's one of my skills. Can I call it my skill?
It's kind of funny.
Skill, yeah.
I can say gift as well. You are gifted on it. Yeah. So
I'm strong on that. I'm strong on saving. That's me.
Yeah. Anyway, next.
Next. Yeah. I think savings is a good thing as well.
Yeah, in life,
especially when you're in a couple as well. It's very important. You have children like us, obviously. We have children, obviously. We need to have at least saving at home, because you don't know what can happen tomorrow, obviously. I encourage you, like young people like us, obviously, to have that I
have to remove my glasses.
Yeah, to have
that skill.
That not that skills, but
that willing.
Like to save. I think is the right thing. It's really
Yeah. So I have to say, saving is as a couple. You guys, you need to know each other. Like in my family, I know my wife, she's good in saving, but I'm not good in saving. Yeah, you have to know your strength as well.
Yeah, we need to know the strength of each other.
And you have to know the weakness of each other as well.
Yeah.
So
as a couple, the way God always says, like, we become one. It's like when we split, it's like we are incomplete. When we become one, obviously, I can have my strength and you can have your strength, and when we bring it together, obviously it makes it one, innit? It makes us one, because other couple is like other people, the way they always see things, like back in the days, back home, they always think that it's only the man have to to control the money or to keep the money, That's
wrong, because maybe that's not, maybe saving is not money strength. Like me, saving is not my strength. So I just know my strength is not in saving. My strength is not in money, individual saving, stuff like that. So, and then I'm blessed because the Lord just gave me this pretty angel. She's a good saver. She can save. So yeah. So you need to find your partner's strength and weakness and wickedness.
Weakness.
And weakness for you to work in good. I said weakness.
Yeah.
I said. It was my tongue. It was saying. Yeah. It's not my tongue. Yeah. So my question. Yours one.
My one. Hey, good one. My husband here. You love spending more time on internet.
Explain.
You love the internet. You can stay in the internet like 24/7. So you love staying more in the internet than real life.
Be free.
That's what I'm saying. Want me to be free?
That she's right. I love internet. So because of most of my work is in internet, so most of the time I just in internet. If I'm not in YouTube, then I'm editing my videos. If I'm not editing my videos, then I'm on Facebook and CCTV page. So in that three areas, if you wanna get me, you can get me there in Career Talk or on CCTV.
Emmanuel.
I'm not really using Emmanuel now because people don't. We don't have Christian Blandina.
We do.
We don't.
Oh, we don't have any
We
more.
don't have any.
Because we have many Facebooks. So.
Oh, Christian Blandin, yeah.
Facebook.
Blandina and Prince.
Yeah.
Not Christian Blandin.
Blandina and Prince, yeah.
Blandina and Prince, yeah. That's our Facebook for me and my wife. So yeah. So most of the time I'll just spend my time there, but not 24/7. That she just exaggerated a bit.
He loves it.
I love internet. I love an internet, but I don't stay there like for 24/7. That she exaggerates.
My husband here, he loves food too much. Hey! When there's no food,
Yeah, I don't
no
know.
happiness.
You're going to drink water for this. You're going to drink water for this.
No. You need to be honest.
I'm
Be
being
honest.
honest.
Be honest.
Let me be honest. Listen, we're going to be honest, right? Because she wants us to be honest, so I'm going to be honest. What do I eat? What do I normally eat?
Food.
I know I
It
eat
doesn't
food.
matter.
We don't eat stone, we eat food.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do I normally eat? What kind of food I eat?
Like eat rice,
Yeah.
chips, potato.
Congolese food, mama. I eat only rice and
Like this?
No, don't go in there. Just only rice and kwanga. I don't eat semolina.
You used to. That was your favorite. That was his favorite.
Do I eat it now?
No, you don't eat it
I don't
now.
eat it now, yeah,
But still, you don't eat it, but you
Why
put it on where?
Why you defend yourself? You
You put it on where?
She's defending
It
herself.
doesn't matter anyway.
I love me to talk.
Alright.
I love me to talk. Why are you defending yourself?
No, I'm not defending
It's
myself.
because you say the truth. That's what you want. The truth.
Yeah.
No one going to drink water.
Alright.
Yeah, because that's truth.
Yeah.
I love food.
Oh.
Yeah, I love food.
That's true. I know you.
Let me say the truth. I don't eat fufu, right? My pretty wife here, she eat fufu.
Baby!
Yes,
We're
we do.
talking about you here. You're
I'm-
not talking about me. Are you talking about me here? No, we're talking
Do
about
you eat
you.
fufu? Yes. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
This woman. My wife.
That's me.
My wife. She.
Fufu rice. Fufu.
I love me too. You don't eat rice.
Yeah.
She loves fufu, and I don't like fufu. So what she normally does is she will cook her fufu first.
Baby, how could you say that?
So when she cooks her fufu,
No, I'm not gonna take that one. No, you're out of the subject. You are out of the subject. You are out. It's off. So it's off. Next question. Next thing. Nobody's drinking water anyway. Next things is out of the subject. So we have to cut him off.
my wife loves helping people. Is that true?
Oh,
No? No?
it's true.
Okay.
Yeah. I think helping people is the best thing.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's what God has given to us as well.
It's like a requirement.
Yeah, a requirement from God that we have to help each other. We have to help people that they are in need. Yeah.
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 Next, your last one.
Last one. Oh my God.
You drink water. Try.
Who's gonna drink water?
So this last one, I know you're going to fail.
My love here. My husband.
Mm-hmm.
My heart.
Mm-hmm.
He loves.
Mm-hmm.
Too much.
I don't know.
You love too much.
What? I don't know. You drink water. You drink water.
Baby, I haven't finished. No, I haven't finished. I haven't finished. I said, my husband, he loves
too much. You drink water. Too much. Drink water.
You love party too much. Party, you love party.
No, get water. Why?
You need to explain yourself. You need to explain yourself.
Let's get water.
No, I'm
Let's
not
get-
getting it. I'm not getting
I beg
it.
you, get water
Tell
now.
me you like party.
I beg.
You like too much
What
party.
kind of party you talking about? Get water.
It depends.
Get water. Sister, get water now. Get water. Get water. Finish the bowl. Okay, explain. What do you mean?
I already said.
Your party.
I said you love party. That's why I drank water.
Okay, since we've been together, have you ever seen me go to the party?
Yeah, we have been in some of the parties.
Some of the party, but
Yeah.
is it what I love?
No, that was a lie.
So I always think that I love party too much.
That was a lie.
Listen, I'm kind of I'm not a partying person because I don't go too much to the party. I don't party too much. I don't know what means. For me, it's sounding like another thing. But I don't know what she's saying. She's supposed to be open. Maybe she's right, but because she said a party, she's not right. But she's supposed to be open because I'm always open.
That's the last question. What are you hiding it for?
I don't know. My last question.
Yeah.
My pretty woman. My wife.
Stop. Stop.
You like relaxing.
What do you mean relaxing?
You like relaxing. False or true?
I think everybody loves relaxing, obviously. I'll say it that way. There's a time that's what the Bible even say that there's a time for everything. Yeah.
So
there's
is
a time
it true
for
or
everything.
false?
I say
I have to drink water.
I would say between.
You see,
It depends.
you love
how you say that. It depends. How do I love relaxing? What do you mean?
I mean,
Yeah.
I love relaxing.
So you mean I love sleeping
Not sleeping.
or taking
relaxing.
my own time?
You taking your own time.
Yeah.
And
I did
then
it.
you always like this. Sometimes you always like this. Yeah. When we are together. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we are talking together, if like your phone rings and then you get the strength, and you start walking, you start cleaning the house. That's weird.
Baby. No.
It's not true.
It's not true.
Okay.
Drink water. That's
Nah,
not true. I said drink water.
That's not part of the question, man.
It's not part of the question.
Sister, come on. That's not part of the.
No. That's not true.
That's not.
That's not true.
You love relaxing.
No, I said no. I don't like relaxing too much.
You don't have anything.
Yeah, I love having fun.
This year was our first. I think it's our festival challenge, isn't it?
Yeah, it's our first challenge. Obviously, we have more videos coming.
More challenge.
More challenges coming. Yeah.
Yeah. So the next challenge will be in Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will try to make some
No, that will be
guys, and the next time we will try to speak or to to have a conversation.
No, I can't speak French.
We will try. We have to try.
I used to speak French.
To satisfy everyone.
Can we speak French? Ça va?
No, I don't speak French.
Comment vous appelez?
I don't have the mood.
Moi je viens de Paris, hein. Moi je viens de Paris, j'habite seulement à côté de
Guys, please subscribe, like,
comment.
bye, comment.
See
Bye.
to the
If you
next-
have any requests as well that you want us to
do.
it could be a title or a challenge that you want us to do, we are there for you.
If you go like you need some advice regarding Christianity, if you need some advice regarding couples,
We're here.
we're not perfect, but God give us everyone go their different experiences that you think maybe our experiences it's not yours. So yeah, we are here to help. It's like I always check people's videos to find what they want and what they do and what they advise us.
Yeah.
Kind of yeah.
I think this is it for today.
Yeah.
Bye.